How to use parental control in Amazon. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use parental control on Amazon Prime Video. First of all, you could set up a pin by going to your profile. So open up your profile initials, click on the profile at the bottom and click on the gear icon at the top right and go to permissions. Here you could just go ahead and click on add in a pin, and you could go ahead and add in the pin and all that stuff, and this is another way of setting up a parental control. Other way you could do is by setting up a new profile for kids section. So what you want to do is open up your profile, and here you just want to click on add in and type in the name, and you want to toggle the button for kids profile. Automatically it's going to restrict and act as a parental control as well, and this is another way of setting up or using parental control in Amazon Prime Video. Next, what you want to do is you could also go ahead and set restrictions. So for that, you just want to go to the kids section, or you could just go ahead and open up any Amazon Prime profile, and you click onto the gear icon at the top right, and you have these restricted devices, or you could go to permissions and accordingly make changes as well. So this way you should be able to use parental control in Amazon Prime Video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.